Hello friends, welcome to Orchid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see our latest pick, Prime Fresh. Friends, the company having a good business in its vegetables and fruit supply throughout India. Friends, if you see, this is the website for that company, and which I am going to show you about this company's business and its company's past data and this company's shareholding patterns, who are holding the shares in this company. And friends, if you see here, what are the service the company provides is warehousing, manpower services, supply for fresh vegetables and fruits. Friends, whenever we pick a stock, we have to see future also. So it is a common stable thing. There will be no competitors. If competitor exists also, everyone has their own business with these type of things. Just they are providing services, picking from farmers and giving to customers. So they are acting as a what you call, they are removing uh, called third parties, mediators. They are removing mediators and they are picking vegetables, fruits from farmers, and directly they are giving to customers, that means peoples. But this company acting as a mediator, and in this way we can get some benefit, friends. That means we got broker in normal language. And see here, they have warehouses, manpower solutions, and supply of fresh vegetables and fruits, and pack house and cold storage services. This summer will give some benefit to this company also. And see here, they are having good track record and registrations with farmers and suppliers. And next I am going to show you about this company, which is its growth. See here, friends, I already checked everything. The growth of this company from 2015, see here, it is 2015 in lakhs. So 2000 lakhs, 2300 lakhs, 3600 lakhs, and 4100 lakhs, and 4700 lakhs. And next we are going to see this year half yearly. So friends, next we are seeing this year half yearly means we're gonna see here um, the growth of this company and the numbers. See here, H2 financial year 20 itself, it crosses 2820 lakhs. So still it doesn't given its total revenue list, and we can expect it will come. And see friends, I am expecting the share is very good, and the company's services and businesses also I am looking somewhat benefit for if we get the second half of this financial year also, we can get good value. But friends, recently what happened in this stock means, from 100 to it rallied nearly 177. It's 52 week high. And if you see here, it is taken 100 as a base and traded so many days. And last year May to this year 2021 January also, the share will be at near 100. See here, 20 Jan, in this range is 100. But suddenly with the promoter share increase in the company, the share nearly increased and given nearly 80% return. See here, the share fall 10% recently with profit booking. So friends, see here, what I am going to show you is the company's shareholding pattern of December March 31st. That means last quarter, December to Jan Feb and March 2021. See here, the company's promoters and everything. The only positive thing which is promoter have increased holding from 59.56% to 60.8% in March quarter. So it's a very positive news, which we can see in recent times. And see here, on 1st April also, one of the promoter taken shares of this share at 150 rupees. See here, so many promoters taken at 151 rupees. If you see here inside trading, you can see 1st April, so many disposed. So with this effect, the share fallen, I think. But what are the what means at what price we have to enter into this share? And one thing I am going to show you is shareholding pattern and which company having. See here, Prime Fresh. March quarter. See here, March 2021, and you are going to see one of the big player here is Kotak Securities Limited, which is holding 55,000 shares, which is 1.39%. In this small company, this big investor invested, and Oversuck Multi Asset Management and Madhusudan Advisory, and there are few other players also who we don't know, but we know well-known name which is Kotak Securities. And I want to show you this, and I shown. And next, going forward, here it is showing 157, but in a few it is showing like 177. But I am expecting to enter into this share at these levels. This is the correct level if we enter, friends, 132. Why? Because if you see 5 years data of this stock, it has nearly like 200 as its lifetime high. So we can expect the stock will move to that levels going forward. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel for more updates, friends. Thank you.